If you have a mix of vegetables lying in your kitchen, here's one recipe that will make them taste absolutely delicious. Before beginning this recipe, hello everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. In this kadai, I heated little oil. I'm adding 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I will saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away and the onions turn translucent. Now we will add the chopped vegetables. I'm adding chopped cauliflower, French beans, carrots, capsicum. I already washed these vegetables after chopping. Now I'm adding green peas and chopped potatoes. Potatoes are my favorite. Now we have to mix it well. To boil the vegetables, add water as required. I am adding half teaspoon of salt and mixing it well. Then cover the kadai with a lid and let the vegetables cook. You can poke the vegetables with a knife to check if they are ready. And here, the vegetables are cooked, they are soft. I am not sure if you can see it clearly due to the steam. Now I will remove the kadai from the flame and place the pan. Now we will heat little oil in this pan and add 1 onion sliced. We will saute this onion until it turns translucent and then transfer it into a plate. Add little more oil in the pan and add 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Next we will add few cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, and few coriander leaves. I also added 1 Kashmiri chili. Now saute. Once the grated coconut turns light brown in color, switch off the flame and transfer into a plate. And once cooled, transfer into a mixer jar. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, little tamarind, half tablespoon of goan garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, less than half teaspoon of cumin powder. Add water as required. Then cover with the lid and grind. Place the kadai on medium flame. Transfer the ground masala into it. Next, add water as required and mix well. Add a few curry leaves and mix. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add salt as required. Add 1 small green chili slit, 1 Kashmiri chili, and mix well. Cover with a lid and let it cook. Stir in between. Once it starts boiling and the gravy thickens, sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Let it cook for a few minutes and then switch off the flame. And that's it, a plate of mixed vegetable bhaji bursting with flavors and goodness, ready to enjoy with roti, bread or even rice. It's wholesome, comforting and so easy to make at home. The aroma, it's the kind that makes you want to grab a plate before it even reaches the table. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.